Hello, welcome. So today we're going to do the linear equation, and then we're going to break it down in such a way that you will understand linear equation. Anytime you see it, you'll be able to resolve it. So you just set it on the board. So linear equation can be solved through finding the unknowns. Unknowns like x, y, and all the likes. Anytime you see an alphabet to find, linear equation is your guide. So linear equation is found through finding the unknowns, and it is found through adding the same number on both sides of the equation. So I'll show you values where you see how it's broken down, and subtracting the same numbers on both sides of an equation. If you have equal sign in the middle, you add the same number on this side and add the same number on this side just to find it, or divide, like we said here, adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing. So you add, subtract, multiply, divide the same numbers on both sides of the equal sign. That is how you solve linear equation. So let's show you values right now. This is a word problem, very easy. The sum of three consecutive numbers is 36. Find the number. First and foremost, we have to assume what the number is. We've heard that, okay, it could be y, it could be x, it could be any alphabet we choose. So for me, I'm going to choose to use x. So let the number be x. So they said three consecutive number. It means that the first number will be 1, the next number will be x plus 1, and the next number will be x plus 2. Those are three consecutive numbers. So they said the sum of three consecutive numbers is 36. So the first number, second number, and third number. So we now add them all together. Sum of them. Sum means addition. So x plus 1 plus x plus 2 equal to 36. So collect all the like terms. So we have how many x here? 1, 2, 3. So we have 3x. So we have 3x plus the next one we have is 1, 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3. So we have 3 equal to 36. Now see where we're going to place all we said before. We said that linear equation involves finding the unknowns through either adding the same number on both sides, subtracting the same number on both sides, multiplying the same number on both sides, or dividing the same number on both sides. So in this case, what do you think would apply? We'll not get rid of this 3 or collect like terms on this side. So what do? We subtract 3 on both sides. Do you understand? The same thing as taking 3 to this other side and change it to minus. So it's the same thing. So if you subtract 3 from this side and subtract 3 from this side, subtract from here, it becomes 3 is eliminated. So we have 3x left equal to, we have 36 minus 3. So this 3 is already subtracted. So subtracted 3 from this side, nothing is left there. I'm subtracting 3 from this side. I'm just writing it out here so that you see. And then we have 3x equal to 36 minus 3, we have 33. And then now, another way again, what do we do next? To get rid of this 3, take note of this. Whenever you see a multiplication, now this 3x means that they are multiplied. 3x, if you want to separate these two, you have to put multiplication sign in between them. So if 3x is multiplied, it means what you're going to do now is divide to be able to get rid of it. So anytime you're dealing with a value, either you see an addition on it, you know the next thing you're going to do is subtraction. You do the opposite of that thing. So in this case, there's a multiplication between these two numbers. So we have to divide both sides. So we'll divide both sides by 3. 3 divides here and 3 divides here. You can even write divide both sides. So with 3 cancels here, 3 cancels here. 33 divided by 3, 3 here 1, 3 here 11. So x is equal to 11. Was that not easy? So now we know what our x is. So when our x is 11, we come back to this value here. So thank goodness there's a little space here. So if this is 11, then this is 11 plus 1, this is 12. This is 11 plus 2, and this is 13. Do you understand? So voila, we have our answers. Thank you for staying. So stay tuned for more values and get so hooked up with linear equation. Bye.